What up, fam? Chi here. Welcome back. So, I ended up doing something that I try my hardest not to do, and that is impulse buy. But sometimes it just happens. But not only did I impulse buy, I blind bought something. I don't do it, but again, we are here. If you are new here though, my name is Chi and I talk about all things lavish but logical. So if that's your sort of thing, go ahead, subscribe, make some friends in the comment section and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. It is a fragrance. So I just love this packaging though. Like, okay, Christian Dior, like my packaging wasn't like this before for the regular stuff. So I guess beauty is a little different. Ooh. Just look at it. Oh. Gorgeous. I am a sucker for packaging. It's like, it's so pointless, but when it's good packaging, you just can't help it. A little backstory to how we got here. As you guys know, I am enthralled and deep into the fragrance YouTube world, and oh my god, some of my favorite people have been talking about this particular scent, and I was just like, yeah, I need to get it. But it comes in a dust bag like so, and I got Belle de Jour. Now, I have never smelled this before. Literally, YouTube made me buy this. Chris Loves Luxe, who hands down has like the biggest Christian Dior private line perfume collection on YouTube. So she's been raving about this. She got a backup of this scent. So I'm like, all right, cool. Then I saw the Eve Effect. She was talking about this scent and I'm like, oh, I gotta know more. And then I believe AI the Great, she has a decant. She's been dragging her feet on this. So I was like, I can't do that, because honestly, it was on the site and I was dragging my feet, and then it was like, nope, can't buy it. So then I was like, damn, I think I might have missed it. So then all of a sudden it came back and I was like, you know what? I'm just going to buy this. So it comes in a tube like this. I already took it off. Sorry, my bad. But this is the bottle. This is a big ass bottle. Like, I was complaining about 100. I was complaining about like the 4 ounces that Mancera has. I think that's 120 mLs. This, I'ma take forever to get through this, but let's go into it. I really hope this is good. Yeah, it's a pretty girl scent. It's something just very girly. Girly girls. Let me see if I can look up the notes real quick. You got time. Let's look. All right. So according to Fragrantica, this has rose, pear, white peach, powdery notes, woody notes, and pear ice cream. That's what really got me. Pear ice cream. Like, what's all that about? Generally, I would never buy something this big. However, number one, this was the only size that they had. So I was like, all right, cool. But when you think about how much perfume is in here versus the actual cost of it, like once you break it down, it's not actually that bad. You have MFK selling 70 mLs for what, $200-300? So when you look at 70 versus however much this is in mLs, yeah, the price of it is not bad. And then on top of that, I was like, all right, if I actually hate this or I don't see myself using it as much as I thought I would, I can definitely sell this on Macari because it's going to be discontinued. And if you want it enough, you won't pay the price that I set for it. So I probably wouldn't like do anything like ridiculously high. I really need to like spray it on my body to really like see if I love it, but it's definitely one of those pretty girl scents, really easy to just and keep it pushing. It's not a eyes rolling in the back of my head type of scent, but I'm just like, okay. So the thing that I cared about were the samples. So I ended up getting Holy Peony. Now I had the choice between this and I want to say Lucky. So I just ended up going for Holy Peony because why not? Damn, I can't really smell it. Oh, I ran out of space. Hold on. The one thing about this, I don't like when perfumes are like this. I don't like dabber looking things. Yeah, I really can't smell it because I definitely did spray Belle de Jour a little too far. So can't really smell that. But the other two I got was Tobacolor and Jasmine d'Angers. Do a first impression. I haven't done first impressions in a long time though. All right, this is the tobacco. Get it right, girl. Tobacolor. Yep, it's tobacco. Definitely got a little bit of sweetness to it though. It's a sweet tobacco. Maybe a little honey or something. Let's see what you got. Fragrantica says it's tobacco leaf, honey, smoke, plum, oriental notes, white tobacco, amber, peach, and citruses. I smell almost everything up on here except for the plum. But at least I identified honey. Your girl's getting better. Yeah, it is a bit smoky, tobacco-y, a little bit on the sweet side, but nothing like crazy. I think this is unisex. Like if you're that type of girl, you can wear this, but I would say it would lean a little bit more masculine only because it is tobacco. But I mean, it's cute for what it is. It's definitely got a good oil concentration because my car got a nice little oil stain on there, which is nice. But let's get into Jasmine d'Angers. If I'm saying that wrong, I'm just saying it. Definitely has some fruit. I don't know what fruit. Orange? No, it's not orange. Maybe peach. Yeah, I think like a peachy scent to it. Let's check the notes. We have bergamot, jasmine, apricot, osmanthus, peach. Your girl's getting better. White musk and vanilla. Okay. I think this is something I can probably get behind. It's very, you know, spring, summer appropriate. Girly girl. Wow, that peach is really coming through. I like that though. I like a nice little peach situation. And this one is really, really nice. White peach and regular peach mixed together. It's darling. It's delightful. I think the Tobacolor, let me know if I'm saying that wrong. But the tobacco one, I think because I'm in summer, I'm not vibing with it as much, but I really feel like that's going to be a nice little something, you know, really cold day. You got your jacket on. I think that might be a bop, but right now, because it is summer, the jasmine and the peaches, I actually really like this one. Let me go back to Holy Peony, because yeah, Belle de Jour done took over my arm. Never said the notes for Holy Peony. So this has peony, rose, red fruits, apricot, musk, green leaves, and woody notes. I mean, it's cool. Like, you definitely smell peony. But nothing very wowing about this one. Not like the jasmine. Like, I definitely wear the jasmine before Holy Peony. I have to actually wear it on my skin to really talk about it, because, you know, fragrances be doing on my skin real quick. So this was just a little unboxing, first impression of some of the Dior scents. Trying not to really fall into the trap of Dior, but you already know mama loves the trap door. Check out some of my other videos, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys.